Hello, in this simulation we're going to see the energy calculations. As you have just seen, the potential difference is equivalent to the energy change in joules for each coulomb. Let's click the gray switch on the green power supply box on the left to switch on the current. How much energy will this supply give to each coulomb of charge passing through it? Yes, 12 joules. How many coulombs pass through the supply each second? Yes, 2 coulombs. The current is 2 ampere and 1 ampere is equivalent to 1 coulomb each second. How much energy altogether is given to the current each second in the supply? 24 joules, 2 coulomb per second, and 12 joule per coulomb. Power is the name given to the quantity that is equivalent to energy transferred per second. The unit for this quantity is the watt, W. The relationship between power and energy transferred can be written as P, which is the power, is equal to W, which is the energy transferred, divided by T, where T is the time for the energy transfer to take place. In the electrical context, W is equal to V multiplied by Q. So, P is equal to VQ divided by T. The quantity that is equal to Q divided by T, or delta Q divided by delta T, is the current I. What equation relates power, current, and potential difference? Yes, the power is equal to the potential difference multiplied by the current. P is equal to I times V. What is the power of the supply in the circuit shown? Since the power is equal to the potential difference multiplied by the current, then it's equal to 12 volts multiplied by 2 ampere gives an answer of 24 watts. What equation would relate the total energy W transferred in a time t to current I and potential difference V? Yes, W is equal to V multiplied by I multiplied by T. How much energy do you think is transferred in this circuit in 5 seconds? Since the potential difference is 12 volts, the current is 2 ampere, and the time is 5 seconds, then the energy is equal to the potential difference, the current, multiplied by the time, then 12 volts multiplied by 2 ampere multiplied by 5 seconds gives an answer of 120 joules. Let's click the switch on the power supply again to turn off the circuit. And let's click reset. And now we will run the circuit for 5 seconds to check your answer. Well, it's about 120 joules. Good job.